Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start voice search optimization with Google Assistant, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start voice search optimization with Google Assistant, begin by understanding your audience. Research the common questions your target users may ask. Use tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public to identify popular voice search queries. Next, optimize your website's content for natural language. Focus on using conversational phrases and questions in your copy. Implement frequently asked questions, or FAQ sections on your site. These sections help answer user queries directly. Ensure your business is listed on Google My Business with correct information. Now, improve your website's loading speed. A fast loading site enhances user experience and is favored by Google. Make your website mobile friendly. Most voice searches come from mobile devices. Integrate structured data markup to help search engines understand your content better. This can help Google display your content in rich formats. After that, create high-quality content that answers voice search queries. Think about creating blog posts or videos that provide in-depth answers. Finally, use analytics to track your progress. Measure changes in traffic and engagement from voice search queries. This will help you refine your optimization strategies further. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective voice search optimization with Google Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.